In today's world, technology skills are like superpowers.
But here in India, many schools struggle to integrate the latest technologies into their curriculum.
This leaves students unprepared for the future job market and limits their ability to engage with the world around them.
That's why Cograd is excited to announce a new initiative, Stream Advance.
A series of workshops on emerging technologies like drone tech, aeromodeling, artificial intelligence, robotics,
Smart agriculture, 3D printing, IoT, and more.
These workshops are designed by experts from IITs and NITs to boost up the thinking capabilities of students from class 3 onwards. All of these workshops are perfectly aligned with the academic curriculum, so they not just provide a hands-on experience of technology, but also improve the scores of students. In that sense, while teaching you about aeromodeling, we are going to clear all the concepts related to science and maths as well. Imagine your child learning to build and program robots, design and print their own 3D creations, understand how AI is changing the world, explore the future of farming with smart agriculture techniques.
These workshops are more than just fun. They equip students with valuable skills that will boost up their academic performance, improve their future prospects. Tech skills are in high demand,
Opening doors to exciting careers, prepare them for a tech-driven world.
from online safety to using digital tools.
These workshops empower students to thrive in the 21st century. Don't let your child miss out. These workshops will be held right here within our society campus.
Making it convenient and safe for everyone.
For more information and registration details, please visit dream.cograd.in. Space is limited, so register your child today. By supporting these workshops, we are not just investing in our children's futures.
We are building a future-ready community together.
Cograd is an award-winning startup that is working for the last 5 years amalgamating technology skills with the core curriculum.
We have been recognized by giants like Cisco, Google, Chief Justice of India.
Entrepreneur India, NASCOM Foundation, Social Welfare Ministry and many more. We have conducted a lot of programs for IHFC, IIT Delhi, Delhi Board for Secondary Education, Ministry of Tribal Affairs and have been featured on eminent platforms like Your Story, Josh Talks, India Times. Now we are at your society campus to make your child more creative, more enthusiastic and more brilliant. Let's unlock their potential with the power of technology. Sign up now.